Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Amanda the Adventurer on PC. The steps are really easy, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So the first step is you need to open your browser, and then you need to type and go to this website. So it's dreadxp.itch.io, and after you get to the home screen, you just need to add Amanda _ adventurer. So after you hit enter, it will route you to a page for the game. Now you can see the purple button right here. You just need to click download. Alright, so just need to wait for the download to finish. Okay, there you go. So now you just need to right click this one and click extract files. Just extract on your desktop so it doesn't really go far from where you want to find it. So now it's extracting, so you just need to wait. And after that, you can see here, right here, Amanda the Adventurer folder will be created, and this is the application. You can just open it. So this is the demo version, and if you want the upgraded or the full version, you just need to go to Steam. Okay, from here you can search Amanda the Adventure, and for the full version you would need to click add to cart and actually buy the game itself. So that's it. That's how you play or download the game Amanda the Adventurer. So thank you so much guys for watching.